Hi everybody, this is Maureen with Landis Properties, your local realtor in Loudoun County, brokered by eXp Realty. If you're in the Loudoun or Fairfax or Northern Virginia area, contact us. We're on the web, landisproperties.com. Check us out, see what we're all about, and if you need help and you think we'd be a good fit, reach out. So today we're answering the question, how much do appraisers have power over your home's value? So if you're new in the home market and you've never bought or sold a house before, or maybe you just need a refresher, you might need an appraisal for a couple different reasons. One, if you're selling the home, you need it to appraise for the amount that you would like to earn for. The second reason is if you're buying a home and you're applying for a loan, the bank is going to want to make sure that the property you're interested in is worth what you want to pay for it. The bank, again, is going to want to get an appraisal of your home to make sure it's worth the amount of money that you want to borrow against it. And finally, if you are a homeowner and you're interested in taking out a loan to make some home improvements, for example, or to get a better interest rate, which you wouldn't be doing in today's market, but a few years ago you may have. So appraisers discover the market value. They don't determine it. So if you're in our area, we're very lucky that home prices are always pretty high because of our proximity to Washington, D.C. And again, if you need help buying a home or selling your home, I would love to help you. If you think I'd be a good fit for you, make sure you reach out. We're on the web, landisproperties.com, and my phone number is 202-827-5069. You can literally send me a text, and that's my number. So an appraisal is a serious business transaction. Appraisers are working within the definition of market value set in federal law. So our government does take care, and again, this is a reason to work with a realtor, not just a real estate agent, because we adhere to that higher standard of ethics and go along with all the regulations set by our government to make sure that the consumer is treated fairly. So that being said, a realtor can also help you with your appraisal just in case it comes back, let's say, under what you believe it's worth. A realtor can work with you to help the appraiser see, oh, we've put this much money into these improvements, so maybe you forgot about adding that in. So market value means the most probable price that a property should bring in during a sale. So if you're keeping track of local and national real estate trends, you know that the real estate market rises and falls. So the appraised value of your home, the market value could go up or down depending on what's going on. So right now in summer of 2023, it is kind of an insane market with inflated house prices in a lot of areas. Yet it's still a seller's market because the interest rates are still high from when the Federal Reserve started raising them post-COVID. And so it's still a seller's market because there's buyer demand. There's also not enough housing for everyone, which is a nationwide problem that we're going to need to address in the coming years and months to come. And also, even though new construction is an option, even builders have not been able to meet the supply to meet the demand. So again, appraisers have been trained, they're certified, they should be able to report back what the market says that your home or property is worth. However, you do want to be knowledgeable and aware, and if you have a qualified real estate agent or realtor, they can assist you in making sure that your home appraises for the correct amount. And in addition to being a realtor, I'm a new home co-broker, which means I've been trained in the ins and outs of new construction. And I also have purchased a new construction home myself, and I have been with close family members who have purchased new construction, as well as clients and acquaintances. So I can definitely help you if that's something you're interested in. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, please subscribe for more information like this, and reach out if you have friends or family or you're in the Northern Virginia area, especially Loudoun County. My number is 202-827-5069. You can call or text me anytime, and if it's not during the day, I'll get back to you right away. Also, you can find us on the web at landisproperties.com. Have a great day.